续来看美国甲中国会谈了后，决定刷落来90天，双方要互相大降关税。美国的投资银行高盛讲，安尼一来，美国伫未来一冬经济衰退几率会落降到剩35%。但是美国有学者来分析，讲虽然这是重大正面的发展，但是美国甲中国这贸易动起平的问题也未解决，所以短期内也是有可能会看到美国搁来调升到中国的关税。川普是讲，伊会甲中国的国家主席习近平通电话。
美中各退一步，同意暂时降低关税的税率，这项协议和各界拢料想未到，可能为两国之间的贸易战发动点。
We're not looking to hurt China, and they were very happy to be able to do something with us. And the relationship is very, very good. I'll speak to President Xi maybe at the end of the week.
美国总统川普讲，美中关系真歹，迈和中国国家主席习近平通会。财政部长贝心就强调，川普将规美的目标，就是要让美国唔通拢真依赖中国进口。
What we do want is a decoupling for strategic necessities, which we were unable to obtain during COVID, and we realized that efficient supply chains were not resilient supply chains.
投资银行高盛12号向客户发布报告指出，美国在未来12个月内拄当经济倒退的几率会原本45%降到35%。不过，根据耶鲁大学计算实验室12号发布的研究报告，2005年短期内预计会起1.7%。中产阶级的家庭，但年了超过2200块美金，差不多是新台币6.6。公司企业更加感受会到。
We're trying to get out of China as soon as we can, but you can't just snap a finger, and it's not fair to business, our business, and many businesses to have to get out in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
福地库苏天星中心的中国项目主任孙芬分析认为，美中贸易失衡问题也未解决，短期内嘛是有可能看到美国搁一摆调升对中国的关税税率，尤其芬太尼议题会摆伫咧头前讨论。
If a longer-term deal is not reached with China at the end of these 90 days, can the American people expect those tariffs to go back up to 145%?
No, but they would go up substantially higher.
And then on
You know, at 145, you're really decoupling because nobody's going to buy.
美中关税暂时停火，不过可真正艰难的战役，恐惊搁伫咧后壁面。
Hello， 我是张新文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。